I was suffering from severe pain in my neck and shoulders. This was hindering my career, my performance, everything, not only physically but mentally also. Hello everyone, my name is I'm a senior professor with a private university. My work demands a lot of screen time. So I spend almost 7 to 8 hours on screen. Plus additional to, there is a small screen time also on mobile. That is additional 2 hours. Also, my job demands standing working hours for 3 to 4 hours. So my job requirement was such that I have to have a lot of screen time and a lot of standing time. Due to which I was suffering from severe pain in my neck and shoulders. It was very less in the starting, but I ignored it and the situation was worsened. But the situation now was such that I couldn't even sit properly. The pain was so scorching. Therefore, I started looking for a good hospital and good doctor which can actually guide me how to get rid of this pain, because this was hindering my career, my performance, everything. So I did a lot of searching on Google and YouTube. I came on conclusion to visit Purple Heron Hospital located in Jaipur. I consulted Dr. Ayushi Chaudhary, the doctor at Purple Heron. So the first treatment was that, rather than treatment, I must say, they tried to understand my problem. That was, the process was completely thorough and very elaborate. Along with physiotherapists, the doctor was there continuously, and it took almost more than 45 minutes only to understand my problem, because we always say that solution is 50% solved once the root cause is known, and that is what Purple Heron believes in. So they identified it properly. They recommended few tests, and the problem was very clear to the doctor. While discussing all these things with the doctor, she was very empathetic, very understanding, and she explained me the whole process that she's going to do in order to provide a cure for this problem of pain in my neck and shoulders. Her behavior was very supportive, very cordial, and she's a very joyful kind of a person. So you don't feel as if you're talking to a doctor. It feels you're talking to a friend. That made my confidence on the hospital and the doctor more. And she always recommends a non-surgical treatments so that there is minimal intervention of any surgery. So I was admitted in the hospital for only 1 day, and a non-surgical treatment was done on me. Along with that, there is a thorough rehabilitation process which was recommended, and I believe that is the most important part with respect to these kind of problems, that is pain in any part of your body. Complete rehabilitation program was recommended, and it was started in the hospital itself through the physiotherapy department. So now I'm getting discharged from the hospital. I'm completely happy with the kind of treatment I've got here, and I'll be associated through rehab program with this hospital for next 6 months also. So if anybody who's facing such kind of a problem, please do visit Dr. Ayushi Chaudhary, because here you will get the right kind of treatment and support. So that is all from my side. Thank you very much.